My brother has bought a vlogging camera. Check it out. It is the, what is this? A vlog camera zv-1.
zv-1.
So we're gonna unbox it. Check it out. Let's go. I'll let him do it. I'll let him do it. Go on.
Alright guys, so vlog camera Z1. I've heard a lot of reviews about this, so they've given us a little nice case there. Obviously extended warranty, you can do that. I'm gonna cover some stuff up there. They give you a little, we'll cover it up because there's a code on there. But yeah, so yeah, we got the little Sony tab, just to let you know it's all fresh. And yeah, let's get cracking.
Open.
You know me, I don't like to break the seals like that. I'm a bit of a weird guy, so I like to peel it like that. But I'm gonna do it and I fucked it. I messed it up. But yeah, stuff happens. We're on.
Stanley right behind him.
It's alright, use your thumb, that's what your thumb is there for. So as you can see, we are opening it.
Literally,
okay.
Stanley right there.
So we are greeted with some Sony documents over here.
Sony docs.
We put that outside.
Show the camera, let's go.
Comes with...
That's it, that's all that's in the box.
Yeah,
what's
so
that?
that's the muffler for the...
What? Oh, it actually comes with a wind muffler.
So Sony, I think, have got rid of the power brick charging stuff. So that's that there.
Okay.
That's the wire.
Just a wire, yeah.
So it's not USB type C, it's just a normal, I think, USB, the old one.
USB something, I know what it's called.
Yep. So obviously, as you know, many companies have got rid of the plugs and stuff, so it doesn't really come with the plug. So
here's the vlog camera. Are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. Nice. Move in.
It's very compact and stuff like that.
That's it. That's very compact actually. I like that.
And it comes with the batteries on. So the batteries here.
And then the screen on the back. Bottom. Nice.
And also we got an SD card.
You can easily travel around with this. It's very good. 4K ready, everything. Open the back properly and see what.
So I believe this opens like so. So when you're vlogging, you can actually see what's going on.
Just see what you're doing, like. Decent. Very decent.
So yes.
Nice.
Yeah. Now
that is the vlog
the
camera.
vlogs are gonna come out crazy.
Made for vlogging. I hope you enjoyed that video. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you very much for watching. Over and out.